Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time once again to open our Facetory Forever Fresh Kit. This is the November 2018 edition. So if you're unfamiliar, Facetory is a mask subscription service. For the Forever Fresh Kit, which is what I have here, you're going to receive 4 sheet masks each month. These are going to be mostly Korean beauty, Korean skincare. Lately, Facetory has been throwing their own collection of sheet masks in there, which I'm not mad at because I've liked all of the ones that I've tried. And this particular one is $8.90 per month, and that does include shipping in the US. They also have what's called their Seven-Lux Kit. That's actually going to come to you in a box. It's going to receive 7 Lux sheet masks. Usually they also throw like a little tool or something extra in there as well. That one is going to be $19.90 per month, and that also does include US shipping. Now I can tell you right off the bat, as I picked up this, there's something in here that's not a sheet mask, because I can feel a tube. So how I do this every month is I'm going to go over the masks that I got to use last month, and then we will open up this month and see what we got. So I am happy to report I got them all used. So we'll start off with the 7 Days Bamboo Water Masks. I really do love these 7 Days masks. They're really good. I've liked all of the ones that I've received so far, but for some reason this one seemed bigger. I don't know why, but it didn't want to fit as neatly on my face. It was like, it was too big, you know, it was just trying to come up everywhere. Kind of annoying in that respect, but it still did the job, and the job it did was amazing. This was extremely hydrating, very moisturizing, smelled so good. I don't know what other fragrance or whatever, it just said essential oils and amino acids, but it smelled freaking amazing. So loved using this. Next up here we have the Facetory brand. This was the Glow Baby Glow Brightening and Smoothing Mask, and this was a 2-part. So there was a serum on top and then the mask on bottom with serum. I didn't need the additional serum ampule, but I am sure that that serum ampule contained different types of ingredients that would penetrate your skin, maybe change even the pH a little bit to help accept what was on the rest of the sheet mask. So that was fine. Next up here, we have this one from Bonnie Hill, and this was the Tea Tree Soothing Mask. Now, I love Bonnie Hill masks, but this one smelled real medicine-y for some reason. And I mean, I could smell the tea tree in it, but it also kind of had like a little bit of a medicine-y scent. It was kind of off-putting, and it kind of lingered. The last but not least was the Marie Antoinette sheet mask, the Hold Me Tight one with this cute little picture of Marie Antoinette on the front. Is that not adorable? I'm still in awe over this packaging because it's so cute. This mask was very nice. It was very nourishing, hydrating, which is said it was what it was going to do. I actually used this one on Thanksgiving morning. I had worked a 12.5-hour shift and came home, and then I was entertaining for Thanksgiving this year, guys. I was up for like 31 hours or something. It was not a good thing. So when I came home from work, I did throw this mask on to just kind of help soothe and decompress and relax. And I really enjoyed it. Now, it said hold me tight, which I assumed then it would be tightening. I don't think it was like any super tightening, or if it was, I really couldn't determine it. But I did love it. It's very moisturizing. It smelled really good, and it fit really, really well. So that's everything from last month. Let's go ahead and get November's opened. Oh, and unfortunately, as I'm opening this, guys, something in my package is leaking. It is definitely wet in here, and everything is wet. Why? Why hast thou forsaken me? This month's theme is Happy 2nd Birthday to Facetory. So this is Facetory's 2nd year anniversary. I didn't know they'd been around that long. And there was something extra in here, and I'm trying to find anything that tells me what it is or why. But it's this little bow, which seems to be like a sponge, and a little tube of Dusk and Doff Stockholm Rose hand cream. So they must have thrown just some extra goodies in for the birthday. I'm going to give this hand cream a sniff. Ooh, oh my God, that smells so good. It sticks to my hair, that's for sure. Is that what it's for when you got a mask on? like to stick on your headband or something and walk around like this. Okay, so this is totally happening now for the rest of this video. Somebody please let me know in the comments how I'm doing this wrong or what it's really for. You guys got to help me out here sometimes. So the Facetory masks this month were picked out by Facetory employees. So that's fantastic. So the first up, this is from Facetory's own, and it's the Oh My Goodness Rejuvenating, ooh, it's a snail mask. I have never used a snail mask because now there might be snail in all kinds of products out there, guys. As long as I don't know about it, I'm perfectly okay with that. But I have just a horrid disgust for slugs and snails. So the first one here from Facetory was picked out by Gloria. She is the head curator and creative of Facetory. Next up, we have a mask from Look at Me, and I have liked the mask I've got before from Look at Me. This is the Aqua Moisture Raccoon Face Mask. Is this thing shaped like a raccoon? I better see a raccoon when I pull this out, because I need to see that happening. This one is for refining and deeply moisturizing. This was picked out from Alice at Facetory, and she works the customer experience. Next up, we have the Halo Calming White Mask. So this one's going to be for whitening and brightening. It's a very common thing in Korean skincare. It usually contains just like some kind of lactic acid or vitamin C, which can kind of help brighten the skin. Doesn't really turn your skin white. And this one was chosen by Belinda, who was a marketing assistant. And I found our culprit. It is our last mask. I think what happened during transit and shipping is that the little points on the lotion, because they're kind of sharp, like you could stab somebody with this, not that you should, but you could in a pinch. I think it stabbed this mask because it has kind of like the paper covering, and that's where my fluid's coming out. So this is the mask I will be using tonight. And can we take a moment and appreciate the cuteness of this freaking packaging? This one comes to us from Pure Skin. This is the Collagen Lifting Intensive Mask. And this one was picked out by Janice, who is a marketing associate. So that is everything that was included in Facetory this month. I can't wait to give them all a try, of course. And I want to say a really big shout out. Congratulations, Facetory. Happy 2nd birthday. They are an amazing, pretty gosh darn amazing company, guys. The girls are really sweet. They usually go like Instagram live to kind of show you what's coming in the kits, and they'll have one on and kind of tell you some of the benefits about it. And they're just really good. I mean, they'll like and comment on your videos and your pictures and things like that, and they really engage, which is really, really important. So once again, I just want to say happy birthday, Facetory. And so that's it. That's what I have for you today, the November Facetory unbagging. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.